Jen, I'm 39 years old and I live in New York City. I've been working in marketing for over a decade and I'm currently at a spa and fitness company that focuses on total well-being. It's perfectly aligned with my personality because I'm into fitness and self-care. I'm trying injectables because it's been something I've been thinking about for a few years. The big moment that made me decide it was time was when I saw a recent photo of myself and I couldn't help but see anything but major crow's feet around my eyes. Many of my friends are trying injectables now, and I even talked to my mom about it and she was totally supportive. I'm a little concerned about whether or not I'll bruise, and I also want to make sure that I don't have too much of a drastic change. I just want to look like myself without the wrinkles.
Hi Spotlight! I'm Dr. Jennifer Levine and I'm a double board certified facial plastic surgeon. Today we're going to be welcoming a patient to our practice who has never tried injectable wrinkle reducers or injectable fillers before. It's so important to choose a qualified provider and we're really excited to share her journey with you. So hi Jen, it's great to see you today. Tell me what kinds of things I can help you learn about today.
I am 39 years old, I'm almost 40, so I figured it's time to really explore some options. I'm starting to see a lot more wrinkles here in my forehead, maybe here in the middle, definitely lines around my eyes. Just wanted to talk to you about some options and see what we could do.
Injectable wrinkle reducers are a great way to start, and we do want to inject them into the different areas of your face. So I think that the injectable wrinkle reducers would be very helpful. Did you have any concerns about the lower part of your face?
Yeah, I wanted to see if maybe there's something I needed to do here, just because I'm starting to see a little bit more right around my mouth.
So you are correct. So we know that the first changes of aging that occur in the face have to do in the cheek or malar area. So we have these malar fat pads, and starting in the mid to late 20s, they're going to start to fall down and in, and that's what's going to really create more of these other folds. So if you kind of take your finger and gently move your cheek back, that's kind of more of the look that we would want to get with some of the injectable fillers. Okay, so today we're going to be using injectable wrinkle reducers to treat Jen's glabella, forehead, and crow's feet. Injectable wrinkle reducers temporarily reduce moderate to severe wrinkles. We're also going to be using injectable fillers to temporarily add volume to the cheeks.
I think as someone who had never done this before, I was a little apprehensive. I'm not scared of needles per se, but I really wasn't sure what the process would be like. It was very seamless. I'm really glad that I did it today.
So how did you like it?
I think it looks great. I'm excited to see how it progresses over the
Yes,
next couple
exactly. You know, it does take some time for the injectable wrinkle reducers to work, so we will be checking up on you. Hi Jen, it's so good to see you. Welcome back. Let's go sit down and talk.
Thanks so much.
So you look amazing. Tell me how you feel.
I love it. It was really helpful that you had mentioned that it would take a couple of weeks for everything to kick in. So it was very gradual. It was actually really fascinating just to see the progression, and I couldn't be more thrilled. I'm really excited and just really happy with how it turned out.
Yeah, what I really like about it is it looks totally normal, like you still have expression, but yet everything looks better, but it's not obvious.
Yeah.
You know why,
which
is what we want.
Yeah. How much time do you recommend in between sessions or treatments?
So for the neurotoxins, we like to wait about between 3 to 4 months before repeating the treatment.
I really wasn't sure what to expect, but the injections themselves were virtually painless. It did take a few days, like the doctor said, or a few weeks actually, for it to really kick in. At first, I noticed a difference really around my eyes and then around my forehead. And so, you know, I couldn't be more pleased with the results, and I would definitely recommend that my friends get it if they ever ask me to. I did have some concerns that, you know, if I smiled or if I did something, I might look different, but I was really pleased to see that I actually looked pretty much the same. And the fact that my friends really couldn't tell a difference, I think was very reassuring to me. And so, yeah, I couldn't be more thrilled with everything that I've seen so far. When I smile these days, I'm so excited that I actually don't have as many of the wrinkles as I used to. Thank you. I'm so glad that I did this.
It was so good to see you,
Likewise.
and I hope to see you again in a few
Definitely.
months.
Thank you so much.